Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome back to cubes and cube roots. Okay. So we have discussed, we studied how to find a given number is a perfect cube or not. First of all, we will prime factorize the given number, and we can check whether the given prime factors of the given number can be grouped into threes. If we can group the factors into threes, we can say that it is a perfect cube. Otherwise, it is not a perfect cube. Okay. So now we are moving to the next set of questions. The next question is, find the smallest natural number. Find the smallest natural number find the smallest natural number by which 392. Find the smallest natural number by which natural number. Find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. So 392 is not a perfect cube. We need to find by which number we need to multiply 392 to get a perfect cube. That is the question. So first step, we will prime factorize this 392. First of all, prime factorize 392. Prime factorize. Find the prime factors of 392.
2.
2.
196. 3.
3.
1 minute.
Or 2 also you can do. With the 2 also you can do. Either 3 or 2. If it is 3.
132.
It is 2 and 32. No.
Ma'am, if you are adding first itself 3. 3 if you are
3.
adding first.
Okay. Okay. That also you can do. First itself you can use 3. Can we do using 3? This one?
No.
No. 196. 196. Then again 2. Then
98.
98.
I'm 98.
Then
49.
49. Then 77. So 392 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 7. No, 7 into 7. 7 into 7. Okay. So here 7 is not appears in a group of 3, isn't it? This 2 appears as a group of 3, but 7 is not appear in a group of 3. So we must multiply by a 7 to get a perfect cube. Okay, 7 appears, appear in, 7 is not appear in, 7 is not appear in group of 3. Group of 3, not appear in group of 3. So to make 392 a perfect cube, we must multiply it. We must multiply 392 by which number? We must multiply 392 by 7. By 7. Therefore, 392 into 7. Find out 392 into 7. 392 into 7.
2744.
2744, which is a perfect cube. Which is a perfect cube. Which is a perfect cube. Okay. One more question. Find the smallest number by which find the smallest number by which 256 must be multiplied. Multiplied to get a perfect cube. To get a perfect cube, find the smallest number. This much is the sense. Find the smallest number by which 256 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube. So what is the first step? First, what we will do?
Fine.
Prime factorize 256. Okay, start doing. 256. Do.
And 128.
128, 2. 128. Then
64.
64. Then
32.
32.
16.
16.
2. 8.
2. So one, how many it's are twos are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 256 equal to 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So this is a group, here also group. So 2 is 2 not appear as a group of 3. 2 does not appear as a group of 3. So multiply 256 by
2. 512.
2 equal to 512, which is a perfect cube. Which is a perfect cube. One more question, find the smallest number so that the given number can be multiplied so that the number the product will be a perfect cube. The number is
I can write the number only.
a number only, no, only that is enough. 243. 243.
Now can we divide by 3?
200 and
2 we can take.
2 we can't.
And 3.
3.
381.
3. Mithun, we can't take 3
Okay,
because
okay.
the unit place digit is 3, no?
And 9.
81.
9.
9. 9. 3. You take 3 prime factors, Mithun. Two 43 equal to 5 3s. So,
And
here,
729.
yes, 3 does not appear as a group of 3. So, multiply 243 by 3 equal to 729.
29.
It's a perfect cube.
Ma'am, this chapter is over.
No, Dion. Some more. Wait.
And long or small?
That a small chapter it is. So now homework from this type of question. Find the
Ma'am, you
smallest.
have given already a question.
Yes, but you have to do some questions.
8 questions you give.
No problem. Find 2 days, no. Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
Today, no.
Find the smallest number that must be multiplied.
Ma'am, we can just write the number.
Write to a question once again. Once after that you can write the numbers only. Multiply number that must be multiplied to get a perfect cube. Numbers are
Saturday holiday. It's Saturday holiday.
Why? No max period. That's why I said not holiday.
What other periods?
Yes, Alan, what did you say? 72. 675. Third question, 100. Simple questions.
Ma'am, only 3 questions.
I can't see the questions.
72.
No.
72.
2.
675. 675 and 100. Third one is 100.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, for all these questions, we have to multiply by a number to get a perfect number, perfect cube. Okay. Next is we need to find a number by which we should divide to get a perfect cube. That type of questions. Okay. So write first question. Fine.
After the division, this chapter is all.
No, we need to find cube root also. You wait, Leon. Don't be in a hurry. Next one is find the smallest natural number by which find the smallest natural number find the smallest natural number by which number by which 53,240 53,240 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube.
Ma'am,
So,
so we should factorize this number and divide by 3.
Divided by the number, those who are not in groups. The previous set we have multiplied by the numbers, those who are not in groups. Here we have to divide by the numbers, those who are in group. Okay. So first of all, prime factor is 53,240. Start factorization.
And 2 we can do, but
2. You start by
man 26,000.
2, 6, 6.
Man 26620.
Again 2.
1, 3, 3, 10.
Again 2.
Man 3.
Yes,
5. Okay. 5, 1, 3, 3, 1. Now, which one? Next factor will be
2.
2. Can we divide this by 2?
5.
And
5?
what is the
Is
number?
it possible by 5?
And 3, 7.
What is the number? 1331. Ma'am 7.
Can you divide this by 7? Try.
3.
Which number? 3 we can't. Before saying, you have to check whether you can do or not. Then say.
Ma'am, 11.
Yes. 11. Correct. 11.
1, 2, 1.
1.
1, 2, 1.
1. Then
11.
Yes, again
Ma'am,
11
11.
because 121 is the square
11
of 11.
square.
11 square. So again 11. So 5, 3, 53,240 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 11 into 11 into 11. 2 is a group of 3. 11 also a group of 3, but 5 not appear as a
5.
group of 3. 5 does not appear as a group of 3. So we must divide 53,240 by which number?
5.
By 5.
5.
So divide 53,240 by 5. Find divided by 5 equal to
10,648.
48. 10,648. 10,648, which is a perfect cube. Which is a perfect cube, right? Which is a perfect cube. Clear? One more question. Find the smallest number by which we must divide to get a perfect cube. Question is 81.
Ma'am, can you show the last slide? Ma'am, 9 itself.
81.
Ma'am, 9.
No.
Okay, ma'am.
81. First of all, prime factor is 81.
27.
3.
3.
So 81 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. By which number, Michelle? Is it
Ma'am,
9?
3.
3. So to get a perfect cube, divide 81 by 3. So 81 by 3 is what?
27.
27, which is a perfect cube. Which is a perfect cube. Over this one? Now, under this type of questions, you have again homework. You do one thing, first set of questions do today, next set on Saturday, the next set on Sunday. Yes, otherwise our portion won't go because same type of questions you are doing now. So you can do. Simple questions. 135, 192, 192,704. 3 set of homeworks, 3 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Tia.
Tia, where is Tia?
Our video is
Question.
1 second. Where is Tia?
Video is off.
Okay.
Down of me.
But now it's muted. No, Saturday holiday. Ask them to tomorrow. You can do it. My class is not there, so they thought it's a holiday. That's why they are asking. Over. All of you copied. Shall we move to the next question? Write the question. Say word problem. Raj made a cube.
Okay, so last slide. Homework. Okay, ma'am.
Next question. Raj made cuboid using plus sign. The length, breadth, height of the cuboid are
Ma'am, what is the word plus?
plasticine, material like plastics. It is a compound material, plastic and some other compound of plastic. Okay, length, breadth, and height. Length, breadth, height of cuboid are cuboid are 15 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and 15 centimeter. 15, 30, 15. How many such cuboids needed? How many needed to make a cube? How many such cuboids are needed to make a cube? How many such cuboids are needed to make a cube? So first of all, we have a cuboidal box. And we can put a box one upon another one so that we can make a cube. The question is, how many cuboids are needed to make a cube? So what we have to find here? First, we need to find what we need to find here. All of you read the question and
Ma'am, the last one I didn't understand. How many such cuboids?
see, we have prepared a cuboid first. And suppose we are keeping that cuboids one upon the other on the sidewise or topwise, so that we can make a cube like figure. Suppose a cuboidal brick is a cuboidal in shape. And we are keeping the bricks. one upon the other, so that we can prepare a cube now, cube form shape. Understood? So how many such cuboids needed to make a cube? That is the question. Did you understand the question?
Yes, ma'am.
So here what we need to find? First we need to find dash of cuboid. What?
Perimeter.
Think you're keeping one cuboid, another cuboid, another cuboid, and one cuboid this lengthways. That side also lengthways. Again on the top we are keeping cuboids to get a cube shape. So what we need to find here? Louder. If it is wrong, no problem. Say.
Cube.
Cubes, cuboids. What we need to find?
Ma'am, area.
What area? Think. Suppose small match boxes. See, the matchbox is cuboidal in shape, but when we buy a box of matches, it is a cube shape. Did you see that? I think 10 small match boxes will be there in a complete box. So there we are using cuboidal match boxes to get a cube matchbox, a set of cuboidal match boxes we are using to get a cube shape.
Area of cube.
Not area.
Ma'am, volume.
Volume. It is volume. We need to find the volume. Okay, first of all, find the volume of cuboid.
Length into breadth into height.
Volume of cuboid equal to LBH. And given that it is 15 into 30 into 15, no need to multiply. And for make it a cube, we know what to do. First of all, we will check whether it is a perfect cube or not. If it is not a perfect cube, we can multiply by the number to get a cube. If the volume is a perfect cube, then that will be cube's volume. No. If the volume is a perfect cube, then it will be volume of a cube. So here we can prime factorize. Prime factorize these numbers. 15 we can write 3 into 5. 10 we can write 3 into 5 into 2. Again 15 is 3 into 5. 15, 30, and this is 15. So this we can write 3 into, how many 3s? 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2. So to make this volume as a perfect cube, we need to multiply it by?
By
2.
By?
2.
2.
2.
By?
By 2.
Is it by 2? When I multiply this by 2, it will be a perfect cube? By which number? We need to multiply only by 2?
I understand.
See, how can we make this number a perfect cube? That is, by which number I need to multiply to get a cube number, perfect cube? That is my question. By which number? Three into 3 into 3. 5 into 5 into 5. Into 2. It is not a cube, no. It is not a cube because 2 does not appear as a group of 3. So by which number we need to multiply to get a perfect cube?
3.
3. If we multiply 3, it will be a perfect cube. What we need to do?
5.
If we multiply it by a 5, will it be a perfect cube?
Into 5 into 2.
5 into 2. Is it a
3
group of
into
3?
5 into 2.
Huh?
Ma'am, 3 into
Ma'am,
5
3
into
into 5.
3 into 5. This 2 is already there. Again,
Ma'am,
3 into 5 into 2. Is it
No,
a
ma'am.
perfect cube? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, 3 into 5 into 2. Only
Ah,
one.
see, 3 into 5 into 2. Will it be a perfect cube then?
No, ma'am.
Hmm? Then by which number?
115. Ma'am, ma'am, can you explain this? I didn't understand.
Very simple question. See, children, why you are not thinking?
15 into
3
2.
into 3 into 3. 5
15
into
into
5
2.
into 5. This is not a perfect cube. Why this is not a perfect cube?
Because
Why?
it does not have 3
Because
cubes. Does not have group
which
of
does not
3.
have? Which does
2.
not have?
2.
2.
2.
2 does not have appear in a group of 3. So by which number again we need to multiply
Ma'am, by
to appear it is a group
itself.
of 3? Huh?
Ma'am, by 2 itself.
By 2. Now it is a group of 3.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, again 2.
Again 2. 2 we have to multiply it by 2 2's. Then only we will get groups of 3. 3. Okay. So you have to multiply it by 2 into 2 or by 4. Okay. So multiply. So multiply.
Now it is open.
Multiply 15 into 30 into 15. That is area of cuboid, volume of cuboid by 2 into 2. See, here the volume of cuboid is 15 into 30 into 15. When we factorize, 2 appears as a single one, does not appear as a group of 3. So we need 2 more 2's to get a perfect cube. So we need to multiply this area, volume of the cuboid, to get a cube's volume. Clear? So multiply, find out how much the area of the volume of the cube.
2925. 2925 into
Volume of cube is how much?
ma'am 15 to 30, 30.
So we have to multiply by 2 into 2, 4. So how many cubes we need more? That is the question. And how many cuboids? How many cuboids we want more? That is the question. How many cuboids we need then? You have to multiply it by 4. So how many cuboids you want to make a cube?
Ma'am, to add 4 to 4.
2, 4 is what? 2 into 2 is what?
4.
So how many cuboids you need to make a cube?
4.
4. So that is the answer. Volume of cube will be 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5, 2 into 2 into 2. So you have to multiply volume of cuboid by 4. That you have to add 4 more cuboids to form a cube. You have to put 4 cuboids to form a cube. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So complete the answer. We need 4 cuboids, right? To make a cube. This no need to multiply and find the volume of cube. This no need because it's not asked. They ask, you have to multiply and give. Now it is not given in the they are not asked to find the volume of cube. They ask only how many cuboids we need. So write and study this question twice today itself. Okay, children. These are the application level questions. One Sabina asked, why, what is the need of doing squares and square roots? Such questions. These are the application level questions. Okay, children, our time is up. Okay.